Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can buy MTN Mashup bundles. So let's get into the main part of the video. So the short code to access the Mashup offers is *567#. So let's send. And then here we choose one because we have the MTN app already installed. Let's choose one. And then let's get to the main menu. So here is Mashup for self, for others, and then you can convert your Mashup minutes to data, and then your post loyalty, and then you can check your promo points. So here we want to buy for ourselves, so let's choose one, and then we want to buy let's choose option 1. That's 1 today. This is a tutorial, so I'm not going to choose any just then. So let's choose 1 2 here. So let's choose our offer. So here we want a lot of minutes, so let's choose option 1. So here let's choose our mode of payment. So let's choose mobile money. They will send us a code. If you have airtime too, you can choose the airtime option. So here let's choose 2, which is mobile money, and then we enter the pin. So that's it. We will get a prompt, and then we enter our pin, and then we confirm. So there's it. So you enter your pin and then you confirm, and then you purchase the bundle.